Hey guys, welcome back to Carrosserie Prisme. Today I want to show you a little update on the Jeep Wrangler we saw last time. Also we have the Prius that's almost done. We got some little touch-ups to do, but the most part is done. So first of all, let's start with the Wrangler. The Wrangler, as you can see here, where the hit was the biggest, everything is fixed. We had to change the part from here to here, also added this part here. We all welded it and it's all sanded. It looks very nice for now. Only thing left to do is a little touch-ups. Also we have to do put a primer coat and paint it and sand it down before everything, so we'll get back on that. Okay, so here we have the Prius I was talking to you about. So the Prius is almost done. We have a little touch-ups to do, but you can see the gist of it. Like the paint is like original and everything looks very, very nice. So first of all, here we got the big dent that was here. Now it's gone. It looks like it was never there. We also have the whole panel here that was painted. Color match, you don't even see that it was painted in aftermarket. So then you got the bumper here. The bumper, as you remember, the client wanted us to fix because there was a couple scratches and things on it. Now everything looks super nice. So I'm very proud of what the team did with this one. I think it looks very, very nice. That's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.